Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned for Gulffront.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have a condo over on the east end
Yes.
of Panama City Beach. We're over here on this gorgeous white sand overlooking Gulf of Mexico. We have a Gulf front unit with little westward facing balcony.
Yes.
Over at Dunes of Panama.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more about this.
I love this unit. You've got easy access straight up from the elevator. It's right there for you. And of course, those westward facing views. You can't beat that. You get the water and the sunset.
And I noticed you have Gulf views in the master bedroom as
Yes,
well.
absolutely. What I like is they've upgraded the master bathroom. And it's so spacious too. And that's what's great about Dunes of Panama. You've got
Nice,
a really spacious
freestanding shower.
Yes.
I noticed. No carpet.
Nope.
To worry about sand.
Sand
getting
and water.
everywhere.
Yep.
You don't have to worry about that. And on the east end of the beach, what a great spot. You're close to San Andrews State Park.
and schooners and
yes.
Diegos. You've just got everything that you need down here.
Pineapple Willies.
Yes.
You've got fins. You've got all kinds of great things here on the east end of the beach. You guys, if you're looking to get into the Panama City Beach real estate market, if you're looking for a condo under $500,000, we'd love to show you this one. Give us a call.
For more information, look in the description below. We've got all the details there for you in the MLS listing link.
And make sure you remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.